The concept of war has evolved. Beyond the physical battlefields, conflicts are now being waged in the digital realm. Cyber warfare represents a new front where nations and non-state actors engage in espionage, sabotage, and psychological operations to gain an advantage, disrupt the enemy, or sometimes assert dominance as well. Now, in cyber warfare, the tools are different, but the objectives remain the same. The objectives are to weaken the enemy, to secure the strategic positions, and ultimately to win. Cyber attacks in this context can target critical infrastructure, military communications, and public sentiment as well, and that will cause widespread disruption and fear. Consider the Stuxnet worm, which was discovered in 2010, and this was an unprecedented cyber weapon believed to have been developed by the US and Israel to sabotage Iran's nuclear program. Or this could be alleged Russian interference in the 2016 US elections, where cyber tactics were used to influence public opinion and undermine democratic processes. More recently, the rising tensions between the global powers have seen an increase in cyber espionage activities, with governments are actively preparing for and engaging in cyber conflicts as part of their national defense strategies. Cyber warfare is attractive to nations for several reasons. It is less costly than traditional warfare, and this can be conducted anonymously, and this has the potential to inflict significant damage on the opponent's capabilities and morale. Understanding these motivations is crucial for national security and global stability. Now imagine a scenario where overnight a country's power grid is compromised, leaving millions without electricity in the midst of harsh winter. Or there could be a situation where military communications are disrupted at a critical moment, leading to chaos and vulnerability. Now, these aren't the scenes from a movie, but they are real possibilities in the age of cyber warfare. As we conclude our exploration of war as a motivation for cyber threats, let us acknowledge the immense responsibility that we bear in safeguarding peace and stability in this new digital world. The stakes are high. There is a need for skilled, ethical cyber defenders has never been greater. Together, let us commit to using our knowledge and skills to protect and promote a secure, stable, and a peaceful world. All right, that concludes this section. In the upcoming section, let's go ahead and summarize what we learned. Thank you.